welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So today's video is going to be about revamping our old sneakers or old shoes into something very new, or that looks very new. So before we go right into what today's video is going to be about, if you have not subscribed, please join the family by subscribing. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, do not forget to press that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are aware that I've just uploaded a new video and you are straight off the wall and watch it. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and your family. And if you have not seen my last video, God, the video of how I made myself my birthday cake, please go and watch it. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. I'm also going to leave a card above for you to watch it. Also, do not forget that with a coupon code that is in the description box of that video, you can order yourself cake and also get free cupcakes from that order. So let's get back to today's video. Today's video is about how I revamped my old sneakers into something very new. I've had these sneakers for a while. It was these geometric sneakers that had like different triangles and different shapes and love and everything. God, I loved these sneakers because whenever I wore them, I got a lot of compliments from people saying, I like your sneakers, I like your sneakers, and I'll be feeling myself. So, but I think due to wash, it's kind of like started to fade. So I just felt, okay, let's just turn this into something else, into something really new. So I decided to glitter the sneakers. I don't know if that makes any sense. After we're done, sneakers going to be like shine bright like a diamond. So like glitter and you like shiny things, this video is for you. This is how to turn whatever shoe you have into that shiny sneakers. Or you've seen all these shiny Nikes, shiny Adidas, and you want something like that. This is a perfect way to recreate it. So let's get right to the tutorial. Guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box. So the first thing you want to do is wrap your soles with paper tape. Then the next thing you want to do is make a mixture of water, glue and glitter. And after making the mixture, after you're sure that it has mixed very well, then you're going to use your brush to spread it on the sneakers, which is what I did. So just spread it on the sneakers, then pour glitter on it. After pouring glitter on it, shake up the glitter so that the ones that have not attached to the shoe or to the sneakers shakes off. Just continue doing this around the shoe until you cover the whole of the shoe. So you have to allow this to sit and dry for about an hour or two. Then you go in again with another coat. That means brush your mixture on it, then pour glitter, then shake off. You can go in about 2 or 3 coats. Step is very, very important. You don't want to be shaking up glitter at every step you take. So this will help to seal in the glitter. You're just going to make a mixture of glue, glitter and water again, but this time more glitter. And I'm going to brush that mixture over the whole shoe and leave it to dry. I recommend that you leave this to dry for about a day, in fact, so that it is hard and it is dried. Another way you can seal in the glitter, like I'll show you, is to also use hairspray. guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere down here, so please be sure to subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're aware that I've just uploaded a new video and you're straight off to go and watch it. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends. Leave comments in the comment section. If you have questions at all about anything, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.